I am Jain. I have dedicated over 41 years to mastering the art of hotel and restaurant management. My career began in business management, which led me to specialized in hotel management. I started as a receptionist at the Intercontinental Hotel Dhaka, and after 2 years, I moved to Muscat, where I grew from receptionist to front office supervisor. That was for about 11 years. My passions for hospitality then drove me to start my own business in Bangladesh.
Okay.
Later, I joined the Oriental restaurant chain in Saudi Arabia, where I spent 31 years in senior management, overseeing operations and ensuring excellence. With my wealth of experience, I am here to share valuable insights and guide you toward the success in the world of restaurant and business management. Thank you. I hope you will join with me